How to copy a link from Google in your mobile phone. So this is very straightforward and a very easy process. So first thing you do is of course pull up your Google Chrome web browser from your phone. Now in here, this is going to be the search bar. So all you have to do for you to be able to copy a certain link is of course to search any specific um, thing that you'd like to search from Google. So let's say for example, let's search for cars and you'd like this certain links that you wanted to be sent out to on a different platform. So say for example, you would like to send this image right here that includes a link. So all you have to do is just go directly from the top right portion of your screen. So let's press that photo again. So you have to tap on the Google search right here. So below that, that says cars dash Google search. That's the actual link that you just accessed earlier. So for you to be able to copy it, just press these two boxes right here, the copy boxes. Now once you have successfully copied it, you can definitely send it on anywhere you want. Or let's go ahead and test that. Just simply paste it here. So there you go. That's it. That's how you easily copy a link in a Google on your mobile phone.